welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I made this Nigerian seafood okra, also known as Ila Asepo. I don't know if I pronounced it right for the Yorubas. So guys, if you want to see how I prepared this delicious soup, do not go away, keep on watching. So here are the ingredients I'll be using for my okra soup. Yeah, I have frozen okra. I don't have fresh okra. Bought it from the supermarket. Here I have my stock cube. Here I have my red bell pepper. Here I have some shrimps. Yeah, you know I told you guys it's going to be seafood okra. Here I have my onion. Here I have my other crayfish. My crayfish is there. Salt. Red palm oil. Here's the fish I'll be using. This is 2 here, but I'll be using just 1 because I'm making very little. I always make little of this food because it's mostly for my kids, my children. So I'll be using 1 of this fish. So that's basically all I'll be needing for my seafood okra soup. Very little quantity. So guys, let's get started. So in here I'm going to blend my pepper, onion and crayfish. When you drop in the floor for a bad man, ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger. So now let's get started on our okra soup. So my pot is on fire. I'm just going to add in some amount of oil. Not so much since the one I'm making is not a lot. I'm just going to throw in some clumps of onions. For those who love onion, you can dice your onion. As for me, I don't like onion. I prefer it blended. So I'm going to stir a bit. So the next step, place my blended pepper, onion and crayfish. I'm going to fry it up. I'm going to allow it steam for at least 5 minutes. No, 3 minutes. I'm going to allow it steam for at least 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, I'm going to go in now with my diced okra. I'm making little. And let it steam for 5 minutes. Besides this other ingredients. I'm going to throw in this chili pepper and bring it out quickly because I don't want it spicy. My kids are eating from it, so they just want the taste of it in it. Then after a while, I'll bring it out. After about 5 minutes, now I'm going to go in with my other ingredients. Salt to taste. Shrimps. Stir everything together. Then I'm going to go in with my sauteed fresh fish. I sauteed this already. So it gets done because this soup doesn't waste time to get done. So guys, I told you I'm making little. We're eating it just for today. So this is it. As you can see, our okra soup is boiling finely. This is how it looks like. So guys, our okra soup is actually ready. I told you guys it doesn't take much time at all. 5-7 minutes later, after adding every ingredient, it is ready. So you can either have this with eba, semovita, pando, oatmeal fufu, or whatever you like. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this recipe helpful. Very simple and easy to make. Please, if you do find it helpful, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.